Hi, this is Billy Carson, also known as Forbidden Knowledge. I want to invite everyone to join my workshop. That's going to be January the 9th, 2021. And the workshop is called Manifest Destiny 2021. This workshop is going to be mind blowing. All new manifestation techniques, all new quantum physics, all new quantum mechanics, all new esoteric wisdom teachings. I'm going to show you how to get to the next level with manifesting your reality, manifesting your destiny, and taking control of your life in 2021. Everyone that attended my workshop in 2020 did phenomenal. COVID-19 didn't even affect them. This Manifest Destiny 2021 workshop is going to be above the level that was. It's going to be amazing. You have to go to eventbrite.com and register ASAP because space is limited.